The ancient inhabitants of Hawaii Islands were deeply connected to their surroundings. They lived in harmony with Akua, maintaining balance with the Aina together, with Aina and Kanaka unified in partnership, preservation, and restoration in all things physical and spiritual. The design of this year's shirt depicts the whirlwind of Ha'a and the Ualena rain swirling together. This is to remind us that as individuals, we have many strengths and abilities. However, the principle of HAELE Lua teaches us that two individuals unified by a common purpose can serve to benefit the many. Mahalo.